Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another Temu nail supplies haul. So I'm just going to get straight into it. All of the links to these products are going to be in the description box below. I do also have a discount code for you guys if you are a new Temu app user and you would like 30% off on your first order, then you can use my code, or you can also click the link in the description box below. So first we have a big box of rhinestones. So I'm just going to show them all to you up close. So we have some really tiny round flat back ones, and then some larger round ones, and they are all flat backs actually. There are some bows, butterflies, other shapes and sizes. We have some bears. Those are so cute. I'll flip it around so you guys can see the others. So yeah, those are all of the rhinestones in here. I do really like that it comes in an organization container. I wish they weren't in bags though, because I feel like that's not really necessary. So they are just kind of regular colored rhinestones, but they do also have them in other colors. Next item are some blue flower stickers. Now some of these would definitely be for longer nails. Like some of these would definitely not fit on a natural nail, but there are some smaller ones, so there is a nice variety. And they are kind of like a 3D sticker. They're not completely flat. They do kind of have a texture. Okay, these are just super cute. So these are strawberry nail charms. So I am just going to take some out of the package so you guys can see them more up close. And they're just kind of a plastic type material. So adorable. I think these will go really well with some summer nail sets. I am so excited to start doing summer nail sets, but even if it's not summer, I would still totally do some fruit nail sets. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, these gloves are also from Temu. I got them in a pack, and these are the medium ones, and they fit my hands pretty well, so I'm really glad I got these. Next, we have some wooden cuticle pushers. I didn't really have any wooden cuticle pushers. I only have like a plastic one and a metal one, so I thought it'd be nice to have some wooden ones as well. And they're pretty small and short, so really great for travel size. You could just put one in your purse and it wouldn't take up much room. And these are 50 piece, by the way. The next item I got are these press-on nails. It comes with 24 pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and open them up so you can see them out of the box. And it also comes with some other things as well, like some application products, so you can apply them. So here they are out of the box. Then you also get some sticky tabs that come with the press-on nails, as well as a nail file, a little mini nail file. I got some more nail charms. I feel like I got a pretty good amount of nail charms for this haul. So these are silver bows, and I do have bow nail charms, but I don't have any silver ones, and I thought these were so cute. And there's like a little heart in the center, which I think is adorable. They also seem like a pretty good size. Like, I don't think they're too big. I got some 4D UV gel, and it is color 003, which is a hot pink. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. And it's basically just like a solid glue gel, I think, except it's more meant to like do 3D sculpting. So like you can sculpt a flower, or really just anything you'd like. I haven't really had the best experience with solid glue gel, but I feel like that's just because I haven't used it very often. I think I just need more practice. We have some more nail charms, and these are butterflies. I haven't really seen anything like them. Like, there's definitely a lot of butterfly nail decor, but I just really like how there's like details on the butterflies and they're like colorful and stuff. And I really like how their wings are like partially up. I think that's really pretty. So there's like a purple one, a yellow one, kind of like a peach one. Yeah, all different colors. The next product I got from Temu is a drill bit. And I've gotten a drill bit like this from Temu before and it works pretty well. And I just use it to remove gel polish, or you can use it to remove acrylic and dip powder, of course, as well. So yeah, it's just a pretty kind of rough metal drill bit. So it'll be really easy to take off gel polish with. Now, if you're first starting out with a nail drill and you don't have any experience with a nail drill at all, I wouldn't recommend starting with a drill bit like this. I would recommend starting with a sanding band. But yeah, once you get the hang of it, these are really great for removing gel polish. More fruit nail charms. We have some cherries, and the red part are kind of like red rhinestones. And I've been wanting these, like I've been seeing these around just like on nail sets on Instagram, and I saw them on Temu. Yeah, I am really excited to use them. I think I have enough fruit nail charms now that I could do like a full fruit nail set. That would be so cute. All right, next we have a gel polish. And honestly, I don't even remember getting this gel polish. I don't remember getting it at all, but it is a really nice color. So let me show you. It's like a really nice dark purple, and I am going to be swatching all of these gel polishes I am showing. So that is the brand Meet Across, and then it's color DT44, and of course it is a pretty small bottle. It's 7 milliliters. But honestly, I like when I have smaller gel polish bottles because I don't think I'm ever going to use up like a large gel polish bottle unless it's like a color I always use, like a nude or like black or white or something. So I honestly don't really mind the small gel polish bottles. So I got these swatching sticks from Temu as well, and I think I showed these in my last Temu haul video, but I was just going to show them again because I am going to be using them to swatch the gel polish colors. So I picked out coffin, but they do have other shapes as well. And it also comes with a ring you can put all of the swatches on because there's a hole right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this color. Okay, I literally just remembered now. This is a glow in the dark gel polish. I completely forgot I got this from Temu. And now once I started swatching it, that just reminded me. This is a purple glow in the dark gel polish, so I'm really excited to try it out and see if it works because I've never tried glow in the dark gel polish. Okay guys, so I am in my dark bathroom and I do see the nail glowing pretty well, but I don't know if the camera is picking it up. So I'm really sorry guys. It is glowing though, so it does work. So this isn't nail related. I do have a few things in this haul that aren't nail related, but I did get some stickers. This came with 50 stickers. I just like having a variety of stickers for my water bottles and laptop and things like that. So yeah, these are kind of like hippie boho-like stickers, but I think they're so cute. So these are heart-shaped nail charms, and a variety of different colors. So we have like purple, pink, blue, green, but I really like all of the colors. They are gorgeous. They kind of have that like opalescent look. Look how pretty that is. So there is a purple one, and then here's one of the green ones. And I can show you one of the pink ones and clear ones as well. So these are pre-made French nails, and I feel like these have gotten really popular like in the past year, and I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm really excited to do a video trying these out. And what makes them different from press-ons is you can use gel glue to apply these because they are sheer enough that the gel will cure through the nail. So as you can see my finger through them, and as long as you can see through the nail, the gel will cure. And of course I will at least put one gel polish top coat over it, just to make it even more sturdy. Yeah, I think these are a really great idea for like a quick manicure. Of course you can do it like you would press-ons where you just use regular nail glue, but Gel X does usually last longer than just press-ons. So it's really nice that they are see-through. Product I got from Temu are these 10-piece mini nail glues. I really like these nail glues. They seem to work pretty well and keep your nails on pretty well. And you can get like at least a few uses out of each of these. And I also really like that they're small because they would be really easy to just fit in your purse, and they're just a really nice travel sized nail glue. So you can open it from either side. This side just screws off, and then this side you actually have to cut this. I would personally recommend, if you want to reuse it, I would recommend opening it from this side, because I've tried cutting this part and using it and it works fine, but it just dries out really quickly. So I went ahead and took off my glove because I wanted to show off this ring. Probably my favorite ring I've gotten from Temu. It is really pretty gold with kind of some leaf like rhinestones, but I am a little disappointed because it's slightly too big. It does fit on my finger, but I feel like it would have been better to have a size up. It is kind of hard to get off, but of course for temporary use it's okay if it's slightly too tight, because I usually just use rings for nail photos. So, and that's my bad, like I should have just gotten a size up. Here we have a gel polish set of 6 gel polishes. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, and I will be swatching these of course. So here is what the containers look like. It shows the color and the color number right here, and also at the top as well. And these are 7 milliliters as well, just like the other gel polish I was showing in this video earlier. And these are also plastic bottles, same with the one I was showing you earlier. That one is plastic as well, which doesn't bother me too much, but of course I prefer glass just because it's nicer and just a little bit better for the environment. I'm gonna swatch this red one first. Okay, this is definitely not red, but as you can see on the container, like this definitely looks red, right? But then this is completely different. So yeah, the swatches on the container of the gel polish aren't very accurate at all. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one now, see if it's actually green. Okay, it's more of a yellow. Yeah, these swatches on the container are not accurate at all. So it's definitely a jelly. The glitter isn't very thick. Like you would have to do several coats if you wanted the glitter to completely cover your nail. So here are those glittery jelly gel polishes, and this is just one coat of each. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. So this is the last thing in the haul, and it is a black bucket hat, so I will try it on for you guys. I don't really wear hats that much, but I decided to give this one a try. I'm not sure if I like it or not yet, but of course if I don't end up wearing it, I would just give it away. But I don't think it's too bad. It's pretty cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Temu nail supplies haul. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!